Hello to everyone. Myself Habeebur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College, Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I would like to impart very important topic from our subject, Principles of Management. That is training, objectives of training. Let's see what is training. Training is systematic process of employee skills and knowledge to improve their job performance. Training is the process of imparting skill or job knowledge to a person. It takes an individual from here where he is to where he should be. As guys, training refers to imparting, giving these skills and knowledge to a person how to perform a job, what to do, how to do, when to do, what is his main roles, responsibilities, why he is assigned his assigned task, everything will be informed or imparted during the training period. If you don't give training program to the employees of the organization, they won't perform the work properly. If they won't perform the work properly, then automatically entire process of the organization will get affected. That effects you can see in the organization with respect to organizational development, growth, and so on. If there is a proper training program, definitely you can see positive effects with respect to organizational growth, development, etc. So the organization should provide proper training program to the employees of the organization. If you don't give training program, then employees don't know what to do in the organization. So that much of important is training program. So let's see definition. According to Edwin Filippo, training is the act of increasing the skill and knowledge of an employee for doing a particular job. Yes, guys. For doing a particular job, employees should need certain skills that should be given during the training program. Technological training is there, managerial training is there, practicals is there, so many things are there. In general, we can say on the job training is there, off the job training is there. Which training program will suits at that particular situation, organization should give that training program. So guys, training is very, very essential, important task in the organization. Being a HR manager, you should always accurately focus on training program. Let's see what are the objectives of training. The important objectives of training are higher productivity, better quality of work, cost reduction, less supervision, high morale, personal growth, organizational climate. Higher productivity. Training helps to improve the level of performance. A trained worker will perform better to increase the productivity. Yes, guys. If you have given the proper training program to the employees of the organization, definitely they will work effectively. So the production process will not be affected. So productivity will be higher. Why production will higher? Because employees are working properly. How employees are working properly? They know what to do. How they come to know what to do during the training program? Because of the training program. So whenever there is a accurate training program, production of the organization will not be affected. Next, point number 2, better quality of work. Better training methods helps the workers to improve the quality of product or services. They commit less mistakes and also wastage is minimum. Yes, guys. The quality of work will be better because if you give proper training program, employees will become expert, we can say. professionals they will become. They will perform their duty in the respective manner, in a very great manner. So quality of production will be good. At the same time, we should also minimize the wastages. Wastages here refers to for production of any product, the wastage of materials. Yes, guys. Wastages will be there. We cannot stop the wastages, but we can minimize it. If you minimize the wastages, definitely you can save lots of money, and that money can be utilized for other resources in the organization. So the training program plays important role even for better quality of production. Point number three, cost reduction. Trained employees make more economical use of materials, power, and machinery. Reduction in wastage and savings in power minimize the cost of production. The breakdown of machineries is also minimum and the maximum capacity is utilized. Yes, guys. Cost reduction strategies can be easily followed whenever there is a great training program to the employees. Whenever employees gets accurate training in the organization, they will work more effectively. Automatically, all the expenses will be reduced because they are using the resources properly, right from power utilization, machinery utilization, materials utilization, whatever it may be. Next, point number four, less supervision. A well-trained workers need less guidance and control. So the number of supervisors or supervision time may be reduced. Yes, guys. Whenever there is a good training program, definitely employees will become more intelligent and they don't require any guidance or control to perform the task because they will do the work like anything. How they do will work effectively because they know what to do due to the training program given by the organization. So the supervisor can do his work without any problem, without any stress, without any thinking about his employees whether they are doing the task perfectly or not, because they got training program in the effective manner, they are performing their task effectively. Next, point number five, high morale. Proper training encourages the workers to develop self-confidence and it improves job satisfaction and morale. Workers with high morale are the assets of the organization. Yes, guys. Important assets is employees. If their interest level increases, definitely they will become more dedication. They will give more dedication. They will become more dedicated employee. Whenever they get job satisfaction, definitely their interest level will be higher. So employees will develop their self-confidence. Automatically job satisfaction and morale also increases. So that much of important is training program. Next, personal growth. Training not only develops the organizational performance, but also it helps the individual worker to grow after every training program. Workers get increments or promotions, and it also helps them to reach higher posts. Yes, guys. Training program plays very important role. It not only develops the organization, but also develops the employees of the organization. Because after the training program, they will get certain incentives, increments, chances of promotions are there. So it satisfies both organization and employees. Definitely, it is purely focused on personal growth, no doubt. So that much of important is training program. Next, point number seven, organizational climate. If there are frequent and efficient training and development programs, the workers sincerely concentrate in their work and unnecessary activities will not be happening inside the organization. A peaceful working atmosphere will exist within the organization. So there will be organizational peace and harmony. Yes, guys. If there is a proper training program, workers will work effectively. They will concentrate on their work. They won't concentrate on any other activities. So the peaceful organizational climate will be there. Workers will enjoy their work. Managers will enjoy their work. They won't fight. If they won't fight, there will be no trade union problems. If there is no trade union problems, definitely the production process will not get affected. If production process will not get affected, automatically sales and profit of the organization will be increases. So the organization can enjoy a lot. So thank you very much, guys. Next thing we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.